mistakes that you might be making on Amazon that are causing you to lose sales, and how to fix those mistakes right now. So the mistakes that I'm focusing on in this video are related to your product page. This is an example of a seller that myself and the Amazon Sellers Society team work with. This brand is actually enrolled in the Amazon Accelerate program, which is a great program supporting small to medium-sized sellers just like you. If you would like to learn a little bit more about it and enroll and potentially work with myself and the team, you'll find all of the details in the description box of this video. I'll also add it to the comment section as well. As you can see here, the seller has a 10/10 listing, so an almost perfect product page. Everything has been included to make sure that the quality of the product page is perfect and gets customers to convert. And even though the seller is selling in such a saturated niche, they're selling honey, the product is still performing very well. So let's immediately get started with mistake number 1, and let's talk about title. Amazon, and in particular the Amazon algorithm, loves great quality titles because it explains to the customer exactly what they are about to purchase. A lot of sellers mess this up, keeping titles very short or not adding valuable keywords into their titles. Here are 3 things that you should do right now to improve your product titles. Number 1, make sure that you add the right keywords, the high search volume keywords into your product titles. Number 2, make sure that you highlight important features such as color, size, and material. And number 3, make sure that you abide by Amazon's terms of service and you follow both the length of the title, which is mostly 200 characters for most categories, as well as making sure that you don't add any special characters because Amazon doesn't allow that. As an example, in your title, instead of just saying red mug, how about you create a title that says, as an example, 180 milliliter ceramic red coffee mug. Those simple little changes make a very big difference for both the Amazon algorithm as well as the Amazon customer. Worry not, of course, we've added all of the details and some step-by-step instructions for you to follow in a free downloadable PDF file, which you will find in the description box of this video. And by the way, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi! My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we work with sellers just like you on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're looking for help and support with our special programs, make sure that you reach out to us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. By the way, don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave us a comment in the comment section below if you want to win a free call with me where I walk you through all questions and information that you want about Amazon. The person that has won in this video is the person that has left this comment from the previous video. Thank you very much. Mistake number 2, low quality images. Your images are the first impression that a customer has about your product, and trust me, you never get a second chance. If your images, specifically the main image, is blurry and unattractive, then people will simply keep scrolling by and never give you a chance. This is a bad main image. This is the main image that we created. This is another bad image. This is an image that our team has created. As you can see, it is quite different and it's going to get customers to be intrigued, specifically if we're just looking at the main image. However, all of your images are important, not just the main image, but the main image is the first thing that a customer will see and will get them to click and enter into your product page, which is certainly what you want. Now, with that being said, remember these 3 key takeaways. Number 1, make sure that you have the right size of image. Your images need to have a resolution higher than 1000 by 1000 pixels so that they are zoomable. Number 2, customers really like to see the product in action. So think about in action or lifestyle pictures for your product. No matter what you can sell, you can definitely add this type of image. And number 3, don't forget infographics. Most customers rely on the information that we provide them in the images so that they can decide to purchase the product. So it shouldn't be just nice images. You should add some information about the product, what we call unique selling points, so that a customer can feel interested in buying your product. A tip would be to think about things that a customer might think about your product and basically answer them inside of an image. This is an example of not really interesting images. As you can see, image number 1, image number 2, image number 3, all really great images, but honestly, they don't tell me anything as a customer. They don't even tell me what the size of the rug is, and based on the slow sales of this product, I think most customers also agree with what I'm saying. Versus this product, which is a completely different type of product, by the way, but as you can see, the images have a little bit of text, but I want to show you this particular infographic image. It actually focuses on a few details that customers might be thinking about. So as you can see, it says that this plant bends at will. It is UV resistant, so it's not going to discolor. It's high quality. It's made of high quality polyester. All informative and very important key takeaways. Even the seller went to the length to explain how many leaves actually come in this plant, leaving absolutely no question unanswered in really nice quality images that really focus on imagery with a little bit of text. That's exactly what you want to do as an Amazon seller. And finally, number 3, bullet points. This is the most often misunderstood part of a product page, or what we call a listing on Amazon. Most sellers don't understand what these bullet points are, better known as key features on Amazon, but trust me, they are extremely valuable. Not only is a bullet point prime real estate, but you should also understand that it is part of the Amazon algorithm, which basically means you shouldn't just have random text in those bullet points, you should also add, yes, keywords. Before I show you a couple of examples, here are 3 takeaways to consider. Number 1, lead with a potential benefit and then explain it throughout the entire bullet point. Number 2, make sure that the sentences are short and scannable to read. And number 3, of course, you need to sprinkle in and add keywords naturally. Going back to this rug as an example, as you can see here, actually the seller did not add any bullet points. However, you can just see the brand name. Is it stain resistant? True. Rectangular fur. Yeah, of course it's going to give me this information, but I don't feel compelled as a customer. I don't feel really motivated to buy this product. Versus this best-selling item. It's not a mistake as to why, or it's not like a coincidence as to why this is a best-selling item. Look at these really cool bullet points. Again, they give you a benefit and then they explain it. A benefit on top in the beginning of the bullet point, and then they explain it. For me, I think maybe potentially the bullet points are a little bit longer than I like, but still they're providing all of the information that a customer might need. The images as well do a great job of also explaining all of the unique features, all of the information, leaving absolutely nothing to the imagination, but also still being interesting visually. Images, you don't want to just, instead of having images, just have text inside of the images, because it becomes a little bit too overwhelming. As you can see, very little focus on text, but a lot of visuals with a little bit of text, just to leave nothing to the imagination and make it very clear to the customer exactly why they should be buying this product. And there you have it. 3 common mistakes that might be holding you back and preventing you from getting really great sales on Amazon. Let me know, are you committing any of these crimes? Are you making any of those mistakes? Let me know in the comments section below. And like I told you in the beginning of the video, if you want step-by-step guidance as to how to make those changes, we created a free PDF file for you, which you can download. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.